Alright guys, first of all, watch the video that I created. Trust me, you can make all of this completely for free. After that, you can also check out this channel. As you can see, its videos have 2 million, 3 million, and even more views, and it has 57,000 subscribers. If you look at this channel, it creates exactly the same type of videos that I'm making. As you can see, I have played one of its videos. You can watch it and see that this channel makes exactly these kinds of videos. You can also see the result. It's absolutely amazing. This channel is also monetized. Yes, and let me show you its estimated monthly income as well. You can see that its videos get millions of views. As you can see here, its estimated monthly income is between $2K to $32K, which is very high. You can clearly see that this channel is making a great monthly income. The concept of this channel is simple. An AI-generated animal appears and puts another animal or object into a girl's mouth, or something similar happens. As you can see, sometimes the girl is smiling, and then an animal suddenly appears. These are the kinds of AI animal videos this channel creates. I'm even playing one of the videos so you can see it yourself. As you can see, this is exactly the type of video it makes. You can create these kinds of videos too. And the most interesting part is that you can create them completely for free. I'll show you everything in this complete course. How to create these videos for free, how to use Flow Labs and other websites, and the complete process step by step. So, let's get started. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you can learn to create more videos like these first. First, open a YouTube channel that creates the type of videos you want to make. For this example, I'll use this channel. Take a screenshot of the channel homepage next. Play one of the videos and capture each scene using the snipping tool on your computer. Pause the video whenever you find an important scene and crop it. Repeat this process until you have 6 or 7 scenes saved. As you can see, I have now saved all 6 scenes. These are the reference images that I want to recreate in a similar style. Now it's time to generate the images. Open Claude, which is a great AI website. Upload all 6 scenes together. If uploading them all at once doesn't work, you can upload them one by one. Once the images are uploaded, I'll give you a master prompt. This prompt is very important, so simply copy it and paste it into Claude. After a short wait, Claude will generate detailed prompts for every scene while keeping the characters and art style consistent. This is the key to creating a professional-looking video with the same characters throughout every scene. As you can see, all 6 scenes have now been recreated with a consistent style and character design. Scene 1. Now that our 6 image prompts are ready, it's time to generate the actual images for free. For that, let's open Flow Labs and start creating our images. Next, open Flow Labs. I've already generated some images here. Simply paste the first prompt into the prompt box. As soon as you paste the first prompt, the AI will start generating 2 images at the same time. After a short wait, the first image will be ready. As you can see, the tractor looks consistent and the result is very good. Now copy and paste the second prompt. After a few moments, the second image will be generated. You can see that the tractor remains consistent and the image quality looks great. Repeat the same process for the third prompt and then the fourth prompt. However, you may notice that in the fourth image, the girl's dress color changes to black, maroon, or green instead of orange. Don't worry, it's very easy to fix. Continue by copying and pasting the 5th prompt, then generate the 5th image. After that, paste the 6th prompt, but this time add "with orange dress girl" at the end of the prompt. This is important because it helps the AI keep the girl's outfit consistent across the scenes. Now, let's fix the 4th image. Copy the 4th prompt again and simply add "with orange dress" at the end before generating it. The AI will create a new version with the correct orange dress. As you can see, the previous image had a green outfit, but the new result shows the girl wearing an orange dress, giving us a much more consistent look. Now all of our images are ready. The next step is to turn these images into an AI video. Now guys, as you can see, the image is ready. After the image, what I will do to make the video is, I will click on the 3 dots here. This is the first image. And I will click on Animate here. This is the image. As you have already seen, the tractor scene is here. So here you have to select the 9:16 size and paste the prompt. Along with that, just write "make a video." After that, the approve option will appear. You just have to click approve. After a short while, as you can see, the video will start generating. We are making a 5-second video, and it only uses 7 credits. As you can see, I still have 43 credits left. That means it gives you 50 credits. So if you make 5-second videos, you can create around 6 to 7 videos, enough to make your complete clip. This is a new method, a completely different method. I hope you will like it. You can see the first video now. The result is amazing, and it is ready. In the same way, this is the second image. I click on animate, paste the prompt, and click on make a video. As soon as I click make a video, the video will start generating. It will take a little time, not too long. As you can see, the video will be ready. You can see the result is really good. The second video is also ready. Okay, in the same way, the second video has also been completed. Now you can create the third video in exactly the same way. Now, for example, there is another method through which you can create videos. What you have to do is log into Flow Labs using another browser. Okay, as you can see, this is another browser. I open it. First, I upload the image. After uploading the image, I paste the prompt. As soon as I upload the image and paste the prompt, after a short while, the video will start generating. And now the video is ready. As you can see, scene by scene, our video will start generating. In the same way, upload another image. Okay, I have uploaded another image, pasted the prompt, and this video will also start generating. But there is one more question. If some scenes, like this one, are not generated, then what should we do? For that, there is another tool. If you use it, you can also create amazing videos on it. For example, I open freegenvideo.online. Here I upload the image. After uploading the image, I paste the prompt, set it to 5 seconds, and click on Generate Video. It will take a little while, and the video will start generating. It won't take much time, so you can also create videos on it. If some videos are not generating on Flow Labs or you face any issue, then you can create them on freegenvideo.online. This is the name of the website. You can use it completely free. After a short while, as you can see, the video is ready. You can see that the result is amazing. So, in exactly the same way, you can create videos on it, build your complete channel, and create your complete course by using these 2 websites. Now all of my scenes are ready, and all of my videos are ready. Now, what we will do next? Now guys, at the end, what you have to do is arrange all of your clips. For example, this is scene 1. You just have to place every scene in the correct order according to your project. Select all of your scenes. So simply arrange everything like this, and your 22 to 30-second video will be complete. The background music and everything else will be included, as you can see. Now you can see that our video is completely finished. You can also see the final result. Just click Export. After exporting, you can check your final video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll bring you more videos like this next time. Thank you.